anytime. Let's start. First step to make the sponge. So we need 5 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Yes, correct. Now let's add the eggs. Number 1 egg. Do you want to do? Egg number 2. I love eggs. Egg number 3. Last egg. Egg number 5. And egg number 5 is coming. We are gonna show that off camera. And we are gonna add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Let's add it carefully. It's okay if it got on my hand properly. After adding sugar, you will beat it until it's fluffy and delicious. Maybe a little bit more. Guys, it looks so good, but it's fluffy and who eats crunchy egg? And it's done. So let's stop it. It looks like, it is fluffy and it changes color. So I think we should set it aside for now, if I can. Now we need all-purpose flour, 1 plus 1/3 cup. Now we are gonna add some baking powder, 1 tablespoon. I don't know why do I say cups instead of tablespoon. I'm so, And now I'm gonna mix it, or else bad things may happen. Now we are gonna add this mixture into this mixture, gradually. So first, you slowly take a scoop and then. Now let's blend this up. Oh no! You don't want to do it one time. You go. That's it. Maybe we should add while it's blending. Be careful. Man, you will know it. See that smoke coming out, and at least beat it to 2 to 3 minutes, and with it you should probably take it off the side like I am. If I can just see the end part. Let's play. Show you the consistency. Now that stuff is consistency, guys. So if it looks like condensed, make homemade condensed. Now add 1/2 cup of oil. It should be blended. I'm very sure. Vanilla essence. That's a looks like chocolate. Now let me show you the consistency. That's the consistency. Our sponge is done, and now you're gonna add it in our already greased pan, and you need to grease it like this. Now let's add it in our already greased pan. Slowly, don't be fast. This is a business to be slow. Allah, bhai, Allah. I think that's enough. I'm gonna put this in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes, and you can see the temperature right over here. Here. Everywhere you can see it. So let's put it. Now you're gonna start really assembling. That was just baking the cake. So we are gonna make our cherry filling. So let's start with the twisting again. So first step, that you need gelatin 3 tablespoons and 1/3 tablespoon of hot water. I mean warm water. So let's first add it. Hopefully it's gonna there. Let's mix because why not? Mix it gradually. Yeah, if you don't know gradually meaning, it's meaning slow. I have done mixing it and I leave it until it doubles. So let's set it aside. Boom, it's gone. Now we have 2 cups of whipping cream. So let's blend it. Beat it. Why is it taking so much time to blend? Just sit here 2 hours, guys. I have 200 grams of cream cheese. So let me eat it. I have no clue how to add cream there without making a mess. Oh, actually, you know, now I have added my cream cheese. Let's bread it. Bread. I stand on a 5 special imagine. I'm a pro at cooking, bruh. I'm gonna add condensed milk and I'm gonna add half cup because our cream is already too sweet. So I'm gonna add half cup. And you can, it's your choice. You can add it any you want. I'm gonna add half cup because I don't want that much sweet cake. Do I? Wait, let it stop. Now I'm gonna add the special thing, toppings. Such a video. And it's 595 grams. I'm gonna add strawberry essence. But first I'm gonna blend it and add it in the middle. Now I'm gonna add the gelatin. What am I doing? Should I add it only? I should. And now let's beat everything. That looks like juice filled in a cake. So now let's start the sending, the hard part. So you need like this pan. Easily that is no easy. Oh, let's start putting our cream cheese filling. No, 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 no. We're gonna put our sponge on the filling, cream cheese filling, and we are gonna only use one slice. Right in the middle, you go. Looks good. I put all of the filling because last time in the bottom layer I used half. And I don't get this. Like, you put a frosting layer underneath and then like a cake, a frosting on top, a cake on top and then a frosting on top. Are we gonna put another cake slice on it? This is complicated. Cooking is complicated. Yes, it is complicated. If you didn't know that. I cover it and put it in the fridge for overnight. So let's do that fast. There are no complications. We'll meet you tomorrow when it's morning. I took 4 tablespoons of gelatin and I will dissolve it with half cup of warm water. And now let's mix it. Mix properly. 100 ml of water. Add the 1.5 cup of sugar in the water. 1 tin of condensed milk and it is 397 grams. And I didn't on the stove because we need to add this condensed milk and then I'll on the stove. Cook it on low heat. More like medium. As soon as it starts boiling, off the stove. Did I hold it? Yes. Add the already dissolved gelatin. Of white chocolate and I'm gonna pour the mixture that I just made. Be sure to take a parent's advice because this is hot. As you can see the smoke. So now I'm gonna mix white chocolate with the other thing. I don't know. Chocolate is completely dissolved in it. So as you can see by the spoon. Let's beat it to get rid from all the Now we'll strain it so all the bubbles pop. As I'm doing. right now. And use a paint as I advise in this one because the bowl is gonna be hot. I'm gonna add a pinch of red gel color and I'm gonna keep this one red and this one is gonna be white. And I'm using gel color because the other don't give the most good consistency, so I'm gonna use this one. Let me add it a pinch. Dip this in and mix. I think I need a little more. Yes, one more. And now, as you can see, it gives us a good consistency like red. I think I'm gonna blend it more. Yes. I'm gonna beat it a little bit more. I will leave it on room temperature until it gets neem garam. Not cold, not hot, neem, medium. I'm gonna add my white mixture into my red mixture. And mix it. Let's not mix. Cake that we prepared. Here it is. And we put a cup underneath. You will see what we are doing. So, are you ready for the special part that we all have been waiting for? 3, 2, 1, start the ceremony! And for the cupcakes, if you want to, you can save it. And I'm gonna put it in the freezer for 1 hour and then I'll cut it. Stop dipping, please. I'm gonna be mad. Bro, give me the cake. I wanna eat it. Give me. Give me. Day. 3, 2, 1. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.